excuse me. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to Synerchiorganics. My name is Kiara Ducasse, and I am here today with showing you what the best beautiful benefits of superfoods are for you in your life. So today we are presenting to you intelligent protein. Isn't that such a cool name? Intelligent protein, because this is intelligent. Mother Nature is intelligent. She designed protein in the first place. She designed the way that our bodies work and absorb protein. So let's get straight into the video with intelligent protein shake. With that being said, guys, thank you very much for being here with me today. I appreciate it. Hit that like button so that YouTube can make the algorithms a lot more for people like you that are searching for this kind of content. So what is intelligent protein? Well, intelligent protein was our second shake that we made in our company. I described it in the green tea video, so if you haven't watched that, go check it out right now so that you can see what I said about that. But green tea, intelligent protein was our second shake, and we called it intelligent because we call this the bodybuilding blend. And it's an incredible range due to its incredible muscle building and recovery benefits. It's ideal for pre or post workout. It doesn't really matter. You can also have it at nighttime. Last thing before you go to bed, really going to help the body recover. Okay, it's so important. Now, this product naturally has BCAAs in it, right? It's naturally occurring. We don't have to add it or fortify it into the shake. That's what superfoods are, guys. Get yourself some superfoods. You need to know this kind of information. You deserve to know this kind of information. So, what does this do for you? Builds lean, strong muscle, fast recovery from exercise, enhanced levels of energy, improves your libido, supports muscle recovery from injury, surgery, and illness. What? Did I just hear that? Helps balance the endocrine system, which is actually the system that helps us experience this world, right? So, let's get into it. Okay. Assists in mental balance. It's a powerful antioxidant, and it helps build blood and oxygen in the blood. Okay. 250 grams, $220. You can do 4 interest-free payments with PayFlex. You can do a payment with PayPal, PayFast, Bitcoin, Visa, MasterCard, Instant EFT. Ships around South Africa 3 to 5 working days. Ships internationally 10 days, and of course those courier fees are on you guys. So what is intelligent protein? So I'm going to read this to you so that you actually know and understand what it is. We call our intelligent protein shake the bodybuilding blend. Our range due to its incredible muscle building and recovery benefits. Our intelligent protein shake has been specially blended to supply our body with the finest quality plant-based nutrient-dense proteins. Intelligent protein helps to accelerate recovery from exercise, supporting general wellness, and help you achieve your optimal physical and mental performance, resulting in larger, leaner muscle gain naturally. So, okay, natural, the key word. You want to do it naturally because you can build cleaner, much more powerful muscle with natural supplements over a longer period of time. Yes, it might take you a little bit longer to do it, but you're going to keep it for longer. That's the point, right? You want to keep it for as long as you possibly could. All that hard work that you put into your exercise, into yourself, into your nutrition, comes out in the physical structure of how you work. So do you want to just take things that are going to like just evaporate the moment you stop training for a week or two because you're going on a holiday or something like that? No. You want to have stuff that is going to give you longevity, help you reduce aging, help the body recover, nourish the body. That's what you want to do. Okay, so while it's ideal, the purest blend of carefully selected superfoods ensures that the body absorbs the organic 75% Edison protein from hemp perfectly, which accelerates the regeneration of muscle building after a period of exertion and while in rest. While it is ideal for sportsmen and women, athletes and bodybuilders, our intelligent protein shake is equally suited to people who need to recover fast after illness, surgery, and injury. Okay. Very, very, very powerful supplement here. What are the ingredients? Hemp protein powder, maca powder, cinnamon, ashwagandha, lucuma powder, and chaga mushrooms. And I do believe mesquite. There is mesquite. I don't know why mesquite's not on here. I knew it, but mesquite is on here and in here as well. And this product is insane, guys. I love this product. I have this with some frozen bananas, a bit of coconut milk, a teaspoon or 2 of this, and blitz that up. Mwah! What a powerful shake. And because of the cinnamon and the cacao and the hemp, it helps to build blood and increase the stamina and performance that you have. So, how to use it? You can use it as a pre or post workout, 2 to 3 teaspoons, 350 ml water. You can add it to your bowls, your breakfasts, your salad. You could literally do whatever you wanted with this shake at the end of the day. Hot, cold, your choice. Okay. Now, with that being said, get yourself some intelligent protein so that you can help yourself build lean muscle recovery, sustain yourself, your body, your mind, and build the most beautiful lean muscle that you could possibly do. Okay. So, I have to say to you guys, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it greatly. Please hit that thumbs up. Really appreciate it. It really helps YouTube spread our love, spread our videos a lot more. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that notification bell so that you know when we share our next video. And if you have any questions that you want to ask, please let us know in the comments below. We are available, and you will be able to speak to one of our professional health consultants so that you can ask any question that you desire. With that being said, thank you very much for being here with us. We love you so much. You take care of yourself, and you have yourself a really happy, wonderful, magical day.